Okay, you ready? You gonna taste it? Taste it?
Taste it, yeah.
You getting a kick out of it?
Yeah. Is that poisonous?
That one is venomous.
You found a good one. Hey, how'd you sleep last night? Oh, you slept so good, you want to hug me? That must have been a good night's sleep, huh? Was it?
Can we wrestle?
You want to? I don't think we're supposed to wrestle in a camp. I got you. You gotta be quiet though. You gotta be quiet. I'm gonna tickle you.
Stop!
Stop. Okay. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
Stop!
How'd you sleep last night?
Great.
Great. Awesome. Yeah. Oh. Yes.
Can I hurt you?
Oh.
Can I?
Oh.
Can I? Will I say stop?
Okay, you ready? I got you. Oh, right there. Oh, I got it. Getting those ribs. Getting those ribs. I got underneath there. I got it. I got it. I got it.
Now stop.
Okay. All right. My sister wants me to tickle her. And I like to tickle sister. 'Cause I can get her good. Right about there. Oh, right there. No, not too loud.
If Audrey's away.
They're not.
Why are we the only ones awake?
Because we wake up early. I got you, I got you, I got you. Oh man, I can't. I can't. Stop? Okay, I'll stop.
No.
Don't stop?
Don't stop. I said now I'm closed up.
Oh, you're closed up. No, you're not. Right there in the ribs. I got you. What, you want to be tickled too?
No.
Are you trying to tickle me? Brother's trying to tickle me.
Just want to make sure that they're not like
Brown or
not
black?
cooked in the middle.
Yeah, a little house on the prairie woman.
You can read those books.
Got the right shirt on.
Not.
Plaid shirt?
They wear dresses.
That's true. Hey, Peggy Sue. Hey, how are you? Hi. You being good? You sleep well? Yeah? Good. How's it taste?
Thanks.
Yeah, Mom did a good job. She always cooks a good breakfast,
learning
doesn't
curve.
she?
Pancakes on a campsite.
Yeah. You want what?
A different fork.
A different fork? Why? What's wrong with that one?
I do not want
It's kind of cool looking. The other ones are just white ones that are gonna break.
Yeah, that's familiar. Amelia, are you getting mosquito bites?
Here you go.
this one more.
What number did I get?
2.
2? Can you move me? Oh no, wait, I got it. 1, 2. All right, your turn.
1.
What?
Get a
Ooh, you
question.
get a question. What is the national bird of the United States of America? The bald eagle, the wild turkey, or the pheasant?
Bald eagle.
Bald eagle, A. See if you're right. Check it. You got it right. Good job, bud. You get to go again. Morning, guys. Jacques wanted to play a game of camp. Since we're camping, we bring the camp game. If y'all want to check it out, I'll link it up down below. It's a very fun game. It's very educational, and it's Dr. Toy's game of the year for the last year. So it's a really good game. Great game to learn and to bring camping. I did a review of it a while back. I'll link that up down below if you guys want to check that out as well. So there's a kids nature program today, so we are going to see what that's all about. Last time we came, they talked about snakes and we did a guided hike, so I'm curious to know what they're going to talk about today. You ready, bud? Yeah? All right, let's go. Gotcha. Hello. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. Sorry we're late.
No, we just started.
Oh, good.
Just started. Come see Daddy. Blow it out. What we just blew out is called carbon dioxide. But then there's still something else that has to happen. You have to have sunshine. So when we add the sunshine and the carbon dioxide, which also comes out of cars, did you know that? Do all of this so that they can make their leaves. Okay, look at all the leaves the trees have. It's a sugar, just like in our classroom we have some animals, but they're small animals that live in some tanks. Please don't touch the tanks because it scares them. A baby alligator. Every year, you guys have it for a year. Then we take it back and we get a new one.
Like fish leg, you know, like whenever he swims.
When they're younger, they are like that.
Hi.
We call him a musk turtle, but other people call him a stink turtle. That's Zeus, and he's as big as he's gonna get. He's about 10 years old now. The reason actually that it's called fall, in addition to it being autumn, because it's the autumn equinox. It's also called fall because what happens to leaves this time?
They fall on the ground.
Fall of the leaf.
You excited to do a craft? Yeah. Go out to the edge. Now cut along the circle. You excited to do some painting?
Look at mine.
Whoa, you did a great job.
I'm really good at painting.
You are. You're gonna go orange? It's my favorite color. Yeah. Swirl it around.
There you go. He's getting it done.
Got it?
All right. Now put it on your plate.
Is it looking pretty? It looks pretty to me. Every time.
See, it looks just like this red. Look.
So we're going on a little hike while they wait for their little art projects to dry up. And we're gonna go look at some trees.
We don't get as much fall color as other places because it's warmer. And so the trees don't, always turn colors. But this tree is called a black gum. And every year it makes nice red. Like a soapy flavor.
Soapy, yeah, that's what I thought. Like a distant.
You gonna taste it? Taste it.
Taste it, yeah.
You brave than me, 'cause I didn't try it. Anything's
No? I'm gonna taste it.
eat a handful.
Yeah. You really did the full effect.
Kind of bland.
Kind of bland, yeah. Like a hint like gingerish to me.
Smell it.
Smell it?
See, that's what I was doing. I was like, I wanted to try one. Please.
You wanna try one?
I'm curious. I really do.
Right. Me too.
I wanna smell it.
You got a handful, you're good.
I know.
Only tried one.
Huh. You said you wanna try more? You don't? No. Take a branch. Oop.
That's kind of a soapy smell.
Slight, like very slight.
When they're happy and perky, you can, if you forgot your mosquito spray, you can rub them on you.
Excuse us.
And it kills mosquitoes.
Oh, yeah.
So, and another thing that's
It repels mosquitoes.
are the deer love to eat them.
Really? Do they eat the
Yeah.
berries?
They don't eat the berries. They eat just. Is that it?
Yeah, I mean,
It's like an orange. If you eat an orange green, it tastes horrible.
right, right.
Yeah, but it just has a...
I don't know what those taste like. Like,
Well, everybody can bring one leaf back that they can put on their craft. And then we'll use the rest of the ones in there. It's just fun.
They won't stick to the drink.
Look where the water used to be on them. You can see. So it's pretty dry right now.
alright guys, we're going back to finish up our art project in the classroom.
I just sometimes I'll just plant mint and let the mint grow over it.
Come on over here, look at these cool leaves. Which ones do you want? That's a good one.
You're set? Audrey, here's your plate. Yeah, put it here.
Alright, now where do you want to put that leaf? That's a perfect spot. What leaf do you want to do next? Oh, that's a good one.
It's kind of poofy like a puffer face.
It is kind of poofy like a puffer face, you're right.
Fish.
Oh, like a puffer fish? You're right. Glue that one right there. Oh, that's a perfect spot. Can I go see sisters real quick?
Yeah.
Okay.
Put any more in there?
Whoa. That looks great. Did you want to put any more leaves on there, or is that it? But she has some more on the table over there if you want to go get some more. But it's up to you. Okay, go get it. Look, bring your plate with you. Alright guys, it's lunchtime and it started raining outside, so hopefully it doesn't last too long. But it's kind of nice hearing the rain on the roof. We never really heard it before, except for that one time we were checking for leaks whenever we first got the camper. So I want to link that up right there if y'all care to check that out. But we're trying to get lunch settled. Is that it?
To protect you, what you need to bring for food and water, what you need to bring to tell you which way to go, and you're gonna make one that you can take home. So this is gonna tell you like what you need to take with you to go out on our trail. This map shows the trail around the lake. It's actually 19 miles long. Has anybody ever hiked a mile before?
No.
No?
You hiked a mile.
You have, yeah.
Think about how far 19 miles. Compass. Y'all want to use one while we're walking on the trail? Yeah. Okay. Alright, so y'all want one? Okay. Anybody else want one? That's the white line right there. Now we can pick them up and we can move our bodies, but not our compasses. So you can move your body around until the red line in the middle meets the red line on the bottom of the north side of a tree. Have you all heard about this? That the moss usually grows on the north side of the tree? It's true for the most part. If you get into like a really dense forest, it's going to be moss all around the tree. But if you're in an open area, I'm going to show you a tree that actually has that. I actually use this during the summer. This is Gold Bond foot powder spray. And you spray this on your ankles and it keeps the red bugs and the ticks away for the most part. Yeah, I found some success with that one. That's the best thing I've found. We tried all kinds of different things. There seems to be something in Gold Bond that kind of repels some of those things. Some of it use lotion here or powder. I used the powder spray. That's the one I'm going to give everybody a paper plate.
Are you ready? We're gonna do our art project. Yeah. Okay.
Drawn in. An S.
What kind of food would you bring?
Well, first can I just draw?
Yep. You draw whatever you want. Does that sound like a plan?
Do you know what it is?
I think I might, if it's red. You had one in the car.
What is it?
Is it an apple? No? You gonna surprise me? Oh, I think it's a strawberry.
Yep.
Oh, yum. Let me see, what all do you have on here? Is that some grapes?
Yeah.
Oh, yum. What else do you have on here?
Guess what that is?
An orange?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure out what this is.
Playground.
A playground? You think there's a playground in the forest? Huh?
Remember,
To be fair, every state
they
park
do.
They do. Every state park does have a playground. What kind of protection are we bringing?
Guess what that is?
It looks like some lotion to me.
A spear.
A spear. Oh, okay. And what's this?
Bow and arrow.
A bow and arrow. And what's this? Is that a gun? Yeah, that's some good protection. You getting a kick out of it? And then direction. What are we bringing? This looks like a compass. And this looks like a map. This looks like an axe.
Flag.
Oh, it's a flag. That's smart. Yeah. Man, bud, you got some good stuff on there. What's this? Is that a lemon?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. And that's a blueberry? Nice. Man, bud, you are ready. Ready to go hiking. Yo, man.
Can I do it again?
I'm gonna bring, of course, my backpack to carry everything. It's important to have a good backpack if you're out on the trail. And I brought my banana and orange. Anybody else bring an orange? Yeah. I brought my granola bar, my breakfast bar, and then I brought my water, my H2O. My first aid kit. I can figure out if I have any cuts or maybe a wasp stings me or something. Hopefully nothing bad happens, but just in case, I got it. And I have my poncho just in case the rain comes down, which is a possibility today. What else you got?
A compass.
Okay.
A map. A flag.
I like your flag.
And a gun. A bow and arrow. And a spear.
A spear? What are you gonna do with a spear?
I don't know.
You don't know?
You don't know?
You gonna get a hole?
Might stab something.
What's the fun again? You had told me.
What's your fun?
A playground.
On the playground?
That's great.
Perfect.
Yeah, you got
Shelter.
you did a shelter also.
Nice.
Yeah.
That's a good drawing of
That's good for protection.
A compass. A flag. A map.
Okay.
Strawberry, a banana, grapes, and grapes and blueberries, a water bottle, pretzels.
Pretzels. Yeah, those are good to take on the trail. Yeah. I like taking pretzels.
I got protection. I got bug spray, an axe, and the first aid kit, shelter, and a spear.
Cool. What else you got?
And Amelia, look, I bought directions. I got a map and a compass. I bought pretzels with me. And food and water. I bought a water bottle, a banana, an orange, blueberries, and strawberries. And for fun, a hiking trail, and I might see a deer and a lizard.
A lizard, yeah.
Perfect.
Can I show you what I want to see? I want to see a raccoon, a deer, and a snake.
Yeah, what's on yours?
What's on yours,
What kind of
Violet?
food do you have?
That's on the raccoon.
We're doing okay, and we introduced a new person.
I know, we're doing good.
Oh, yeah, all kinds of cool stuff on there.
Violet, what is that? What is that? Is that your map?
So nice.
No? Is it a compass? No? You're not sure? You don't want to tell
You
me?
ready to go for a hike?
You want to go for a hike? Let's go for a hike.
Usually at the start of a trail, they're always going to have a big map like this right here.
Little brown snake. Right there.
Right
See?
there.
Oh yeah, that's
one
a
of the
rough earth snake.
Rough earth?
Yeah, I think that's what it was. Yeah,
A small little brown one.
what it looked like anyway.
Audrey.
It's like a he moved.
Good move.
Yeah, that's about one of the smallest snakes you can see here actually. There he goes, he's still right under there.
Oh, yeah. This is a French mulberry. There you go. I'm just going to put a bunch.
No, just one, buddy. Just taste the one.
Taste one, see if you like it.
like it.
You like it? You can get more.
No, they said that you don't know how many you could eat before they made you.
Yeah, you'd have to eat like a ton.
Okay, well, you're always convincing people that they don't.
Yep. Look at you. You're good, bud. Super hiker.
It's towards that. You
There
can
you
hold the
go.
compass
That's
out.
north.
Yeah, hold your compass in your hand. There you go.
So
Look,
what
that
way is
moss
it
kinda
pointing
growing on
if
the
you're
north
looking
side
out?
right there. So it is.
So look,
pretty
this
true.
way. This way is north, bud.
That's pretty
So if
awesome.
you were to keep walking in a straight line right here, you'd eventually go to Arkansas. It just might take a few days.
Yeah, it's a little ironwood tree.
Oh,
I'm gonna
wow.
show you the big one. But you can see why they call it the musclewood too. I'm gonna try to move that tree.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch this one. There's nothing wrong with this one.
Try and push it.
Yeah, try to push.
Can
that
you push
tree.
it? Make it shake it.
Can't even. Yeah, y'all hadn't shook a leaf yet. It's strong, isn't it?
Get it, kids. Get it.
There
Work
you
as
go.
a team. There you go. Getting a little bit.
It is sturdy.
That's a strong tree.
Is it hard to cut down?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I don't like cutting those. If I ever have to cut a tree, I avoid cutting ironwood.
Yeah. Wow.
Even though that's about max size too. They don't get much bigger.
Oh, okay. So they stay pretty skinny.
Oh, you got it, dude. Use it for.
Whoa, he's big.
Yeah, it's a pretty good size.
Oh, that's super big.
Yeah.
Is that poisonous?
That one is venomous. Yes.
Yeah.
See the V-shaped head?
You found you a caterpillar,
Yeah.
friend?
She's like, I'm glad I found it before my kids. did,"
Yeah,
'cause It
yeah.
looked so, like. Now I know.
Say bye. Wave to it? Can you wave? She's obsessed. He's digging.
Oh, he's looking for a worm.
He's just digging. Yep, there he is.
Here he comes, wait. He'll come out.
Look right there, you see him? Look at him. He's so close. Is that cool? It's a real live animal. What do you think he's looking for? I don't know either.
Yeah, it's like a little wasp.
It's a wasp.
Yeah.
You can't go off the trail, bud.
Walk that way.
Yeah, this hickory nuts. You'll find them all. The other side.
You found a good one. Where's the branch it was sticking on? You think it's about to rain, bud?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it might rain too.
I think we can play in the rain and discover it.
You gonna discover the rain? We got fire, bud. You ready to cook something? What are you cooking?
Meatballs.
Meatballs? All right. So since Amelia knows how to read, she loves reading to all the other kids. Hey, bud, is that good? You like it?
Our marshmallows are really big.
Look at that, a perfectly roasted marshmallow.
Mine was marshed.
It was marshed.
Mine
You
was
marshed
super
up this
marshed 'cause
spoon, fork thing, marshmallow stick.
Mine was super marshed. Mine was sliding down. Mine got caught on fire.
Oh my goodness. Krista had the bright idea to bring Nutella to make Nutella S'mores. That looks delicious.
You want it?
I might eat it.
Well, here, so I can set it back your way.
Is that a good marshmallow, Violet? Yeah, you like it?
Wait, that's for
Oh,
Mr. Lane.
this one's for me. Can I eat this one? Thank you. It's not so smushy. Yeah, sometimes those can get really smushy because they're so big.
You're watching stupidity at its best.
Yeah, huh?
No, thank you. Good. I am super excited to see the taste of this.
They look like they're hard to crack.
Yeah.
Show.
He was saying that they were hard to crack. Now we wait for them to cool off, or
It's a tough
what?
nut to crack. Do we have a hatchet or a hammer? I believe.
Yeah, we do.
All of the above.
There's a rock over there, or there's Zen over there. is gonna be entertaining. Whoop.
Mr. Lane.
Hold on, it might be hot. Yeah. Is it hot? Oh yeah, it's very hot. Oops.
But can I still eat it?
I don't know. Are we gonna taste test these, Audrey?
Yeah.
I want to see you try it.
Can you hold half of it? There you go.
You know, there's always something crazy that y'all are doing every time we get together. Fireworks or...
Can I try a little?
Any good?
That's the nut.
Yeah? You gonna try it?
Was it?
Mmm. Yummy.
Yeah.
You like it? It tastes like a walnut.
A walnut? I think that's what he said, isn't it? Yeah.
But it's not as bitter.
Not as bitter?
No.
The roasting
Takes the bitterness out of it, yeah.
Well, that would make sense. Okay, Krista. Roasted hickory nuts are really good. Oh, are they? Yeah, it's like a walnut, but it's not quite. I don't find that it's quite as bitter.
Yeah, it's pretty interesting.
Right, because we cooked them right.
We need some crack.
Well, I mean, maybe if you eat them raw, I bet it's not quite.
Well, guys, the fire is dying out, and I keep seeing flashes of light all around, so I think we're about to get some rain. I was looking at the radar, and it looks like there's some pretty heavy thunderstorms, so hopefully we sleep well tonight. If you guys want more videos from us, there's 2 of them on there on the screen that you can click, or you can click that subscribe button if you want to do some of that, if you're enjoying our videos. Thank you guys for watching. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Thanks for being shiggity shank.